If you need to cancel a pending transaction in Outlook, follow these steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Open Outlook. Launch the Outlook application on your computer or access it through your web browser. Make sure you are logged into the account where the transaction is pending. Step 2. Navigate to the Outbox. In the navigation pane, locate and click on the Outbox folder. This is where any emails or transactions that are pending will be stored until they are sent. Step 3. Find the pending transaction. Look for the specific email or transaction that you want to cancel. It should be listed in Outbox. Click on it to select it. Step 4. Delete the transaction. Once the pending transaction is selected, right-click on it and choose Delete from the context menu. Alternatively, you can press the Delete key on your keyboard to remove it. Step 5. Confirm deletion. If prompted, confirm that you want to delete the transaction. This will remove it from the Outbox, effectively cancelling the pending transaction. By following these steps, you can successfully cancel any pending transactions in Outlook. If you have further questions or need assistance, consider checking the Outlook help resources or contacting support.